Hey everyone, welcome back to our tech tutorial series. Today, we're diving into how to change user agent in Firefox 2025. If you're a developer, tester, or just someone who loves tweaking browser settings, this is for you. First off, what's a user agent? It's a small piece of code that your browser sends to websites, telling them what browser and device you're using. Changing it can help you access restricted content, mimic another browser for testing, or even bypass geo-blocks. It's a powerful tool, but use it responsibly to avoid any issues. Now, let's jump into the steps. Make sure you have the latest version of Firefox installed. It's always a good idea to update for the best features. Step 1. Open Firefox and go to any website, as we'll use the built-in developer tools. Step 2. Right-click on the page and select Inspect, or press F12 on your keyboard to open the Developer Tools panel. In 2025, Firefox has made this even easier with updated interfaces. Step 3. Once in Developer Tools, switch to the Network tab. Here, look for the User Agent drop-down or settings icon. It's usually at the top. Click on it and select from the predefined options, like switching to a mobile device or another browser. If you need a custom one, you can enter it manually. Step 4. After selecting your new user agent, refresh the page to see the changes in action. To verify, you can visit a site like whatismyuseragent.com and check if it's updated. A quick tip. Remember that changing your user agent is temporary and resets when you close the tools, so it's safe for experimenting. If you're doing this frequently, consider browser extensions for more persistent changes. And always be cautious, as some sites might detect and block unusual agents. There you have it. Changing your user agent in Firefox is straightforward and can open up a world of possibilities. If you found this helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more tips, and let us know in the comments what other tutorials you'd like to see. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.